bag chase. When you down to your last, you in last place. Run it up, put it in the safe. I gotta keep it low key, stay up out the way. Savage.
What up, world? It's your boy Paid, and I'm here with you for your Week 3 Monday update. Sadly, this will probably be my only update this week. I will be trading tomorrow on Tuesday and also on Thursday, but I have to work in the morning, so I won't be able to get another update for you guys until the end of the week. Today was, how can I describe today? It wasn't a red day, but I'm not too happy about how the day went, I should say. Not really disciplined. I overtraded today. Like I said, I'm up about $200, but the amount of trades I placed is just not good because I could have took one trade and honestly been in the same position. I would have had a little bit more, honestly, but it is what it is. We live and we learn. We're just gonna get better, day by day, week by week, year by year. That's just the whole goal. So let's just get right into the video. So today we're up about $201, as you can see. I took a total of 44 trades, which is actually contracts. I actually took around about 22 trades today, and that's what I didn't like about today, honestly, is I took so many trades. My first trade of the day was a US 30 short. I came up about 232 or something like that, and yeah, it just went downhill, honestly, because I overtraded. Well, I ain't gonna say I overtraded then. I took some trades on NAS because I missed that long position, and I tried to go with some shorts, but it didn't pan out for me too well. So I ended up losing all that profit, getting down to about negative $68. Eventually, I got down to about 132. I took another position on NAS. At that point, it was a long position. I kind of clicked in my head, I should say, where I stopped trying to counter trend trade and just went with the trend because clearly it wasn't going to sell off yet. And yeah, ended up getting back up there about 200 and something dollars. I don't really remember, honestly. Let's just go to, I can just go right here to Topstep. So as you can see, I'm up 2% right now, which is good. We are 1% away, and that's what kind of that's what I could say caused my overtrading today, trying to complete this challenge today. I was really hoping I could get another 1% today off of the short, but I didn't get it. I was in the market trying to make the market do what I wanted it to do and not going with what the market was giving me, because the market in the morning time was on the uptrend, and I was hoping and I was kind of counter trend trading, and that's how I ended up getting into the negative, and eventually it clicked, and I ended up going with the trend and getting out of that and getting back to my 2%, but I ended up losing that again later throughout the day in the evening session. What else can I say? Yeah, I lost that in the evening session, overtrading, getting back up. Actually, I could show you guys for the day. See, I actually got back up to $323. That was my P&L high for the day. I ended up losing all that again, and overtrading, as you can see, 42 contracts, 21 total trades, which is insane. Like, I don't like that. Like, even the $200 that I made today is not an enjoyable $200 that I made because of the undisciplined act that I had of overtrading. I should have just cut it earlier, Even if I would have cut it at the $68 loss, I would have kind of felt better about that than actually doing all the up and down I did, Actually got down to the low of 463. Let's talk about that, because that was, I don't even know how to describe that trade. Let's just say I was going for longs this evening around 1-2 o'clock. I was risking about 300, hoping to make about 6, I believe, 7. And as soon as I got in the trade, I knew I was in a bad trade instantly. Like, I just knew it, but it dropped down to about 100. It was floating around. I should have cut it then, but I just held it because I didn't want to accept that loss, which I should have. Looking back now, I should have just took the $100 and some dollar loss, and just ate it and waited for it to hit that 1 hour gap, which I didn't catch earlier. I didn't see the 1 hour gap. I don't know why I didn't see it. It was clear as day. It was a 1 hour gap right there. I didn't see it to end up filling it, and I got back in, and that's how I ended up making, the I don't even know what I made. I think if I do, I know I made $645 on that trade. But it's like if I would have been more patient, I would have been up 600 and something dollars instead of going all the way down to 400. You know, maybe I just lost 100. It would have filled the gap, and then I would got in for a long, and I would have been up even more. But I didn't. You know, I don't even know what to say. I actually made a whole video about that, so I don't want to really deep dive into it. I just want to kind of touch on the day a little bit, like I said. So we ended the day $201. Like I said, not too happy about that 201. I'm not happy about how I got it. I would have been more happy if I would have cut my trade after that first trade that I made, maybe. But that just wasn't the case, you know. So like I said, 21 contracts is crazy. Like let's just go over all the other days. Like, yeah, 79 to me is pretty high. It's not as bad, but like 21 is insane. Like I've been trading all day. I probably took like an hour, 2 hour break. 1 o'clock came, I was on the charts, going ham, like just going crazy. And I actually end up, I think I was down on my account. I came back around 3 o'clock, closer to the close, matter of fact, and there was so much volume in there. That's how I end up making that money. So that's cool. Let's go to my oh snap. Let's go to my other account. I should have locked myself out way sooner too, but I didn't. So let's go to this account. I actually called about 10 minutes before the close. I caught this trade. I could have held it till the close, and I should have just waited till I got liquidated. I probably could have made double the amount, but like at 359, I ended up just pulling it because I thought it was gonna liquidate me at 4 exactly, but the market ended up actually closing at 410. So I just pulled it at 349. Like I said, this is a account I'm just building buffer on. I didn't trade the other account that's down. I didn't touch this one today. It's still looking terrible. Red, red, red. But this one is looking good. Slow buffer room. Not too many trades. This is really how it should be. I mean, not maybe the 100% win rate every day, but this is how my trading should be. It shouldn't be 21 trades in a day. Like, that's just insane. I don't know why I did that. I do know why, because I wanted to pass this challenge today, and I got real greedy for that 1%, and it bit me in the ass. And luckily, I got rewarded for a bad habit today. That's all I could really say. I got rewarded for a bad habit, and I don't want to keep getting rewarded for bad habits. Yes, I still have a 70% win rate, but like I said, I'm just not too fond about today at all. So, um, let's go to. Did we touch all these? Yeah. What did it say? Winning trade percentage, 38%. Ew. I actually got my 100K account back too. Also, where's this other account? I think this is this one. One more percent to go on that one. Hopefully, maybe I can make half of it tomorrow. I don't know. Hopefully, I can just make something, And I get one. I think Thursday is my last day I could trade because I'll be gone on the road Friday, so I won't be able to trade Friday. So if it happens this week, I'll be pleased with it. But if I have to wait till next week, that's even better. It is what it is. Like I said, we're up 645 on this one. This one is not too many trading days. So we got 3 trading days on this one, so it's not really much data besides me winning the few trades that I did. Place the one. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm looking at 3. I was about to say I didn't place no 4 trades today, but yeah, I only placed 2 today. So that's good. I don't even remember what happened the first trade, to be honest, because I just took a little small win. That's what it was. I took a small win and then actually got back in and took it to the high after I got a little bit more confirmation in what I was seeing. And I took it to a point. I said it to the high. I just took it to a point on, I think it was like the next highest candlestick on the 5 minute because I was on the 1 minute. So, like I said, I was just trying to build some buffer room with that. I didn't really want to do too much. As you can see, I was only in the trade for 1 minute 42 seconds, not too long. So, yeah, I don't think this is going to be really much of a long video. That's just Monday for you, honestly. Like I said, I mean, you could say it's a good day. On the other account, I don't really count it as a good day. I just got rewarded for a bad habit, and hopefully we can fix those things in the future. And until next time, like I said, I think I'll give you guys a weekly update after this. I don't think I'll be able to kick out any more updates this week, but I'll give you guys one by the end of the week. Maybe I don't think I'll be able to get it out to about Sunday, maybe Monday. This is a long week for me, so we'll see. But I do have some more content dropping for you guys later this week. Another episode to the Undisciplined Trader series. You guys can follow me on Instagram at FXPayRel, and I'll see you guys on the next video. See ya.